Everyone, welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is a video for my Nikkietutorials across a Beautybay. So I'm using her new palette today. So I hope you enjoy today's video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So as per usual, at first I'm just popping on my brows, cleaning them up, and then popping on some eye primer. Hi guys! So I just really quickly wanted to add in this little bit here. I just wanted to show you the Nikkietutorials palette. So it came with this little card here and it's got a little note from Nikkie herself, and then it's got on the back all of the shade names and how they're best applied. So what she did do was she popped on it whether it's best applied with a brush or with like your finger, so that it would make it easier for people who aren't necessarily pros at makeup. And I was super lucky enough to be one of the ones that got one of the pop sockets. So I did get this pink and purple one here. It is really cute. I haven't popped it on my phone yet. I don't know if I will pop it on my phone, if I'm honest. I'll probably pop it up somewhere here on display instead, just because I do use my phone to film all my videos and I can't have anything on my phone because otherwise then I can't put it in its thing to hold it for me. And I'm super excited. This is the palette here. So I am super excited to be playing with this palette. Nikkietutorials is one of my favorite beauty YouTubers, and I think I watched her even before I started getting into makeup. I remember watching her like years and years ago, like back before she was as popular as she is now. But I'm certainly now watching every single one of her videos now that I am so fully into makeup. But I'm so excited because she is so much like me. She loves colors and like out there full-on looks. So I am so excited and I hope I can do this palette justice. So I will be filming a few looks and I will make it into like a sort of series, just like I did with the Raw Beauty Christy ones. And then over time, if I do use this palette, I'll just keep adding more looks into it because it's just so exciting. I can't wait. So I'm going to open it up. Now I have opened up the palette. I couldn't help myself. It's so exciting. So yeah, but this is my first time that I will be playing with it. So I haven't actually done any looks with it yet. I've literally only opened it and that's it. So this is the palette and I absolutely love the style of this. The fact that she's done like the two sides where you could do like colorful or you can do like this more neutral side. It is beautiful because everybody knows I love my colors, but I also love my, you know, glam everyday looks that I can wear out as well. So yeah, I'm super excited to be playing with this. So let's open her up. So this is what it's like inside. Let me just remove this plastic so it doesn't fall everywhere. So this is what it looks like. Now she does have two mirrors in this, and this side is a standard mirror and it says I am me, and this side says you are you, and it's actually a zoomed in mirror. So only use that side if you want to get up close and personal. And this is what it looks like. all the shades. So it is absolutely stunning. I can't wait. Now I just want to do a few swatches because I haven't touched it yet and I really want to. So let me just pop my sleeve up and I'm going to go in just with a few random shades. I'm not going to do every single shade for you. I just want to have a look at some, so I thought I would show you guys at the same time. So I'm going to go in with Ivy, and that's on the top row. It's like a shimmery neutral color. Absolutely stunning. On the second row, I think I might go in with Roxy Catan, and that's like a pinky peachy shimmer color. Oh my goodness. I think that's going to be one of my favorite shades. On the third row, let's go in with All In. Holy moly, this is like a green, gold, like peachy almost. This is like so many different colors in one. And on the fourth row, I don't know what one to go in with. I might have to do more than one, I'm sorry. All right, let's go in with Pride, which is like a pink shimmery shade. Can you tell what shades I really like and that I really love shimmer and glitter, because every shade I've picked up so far has been a shimmer. So going with this. Oh my goodness. And let's go in with Tutorials. It's a blue shimmer. Holy moly. I really want to go in with Tutorials as well. This is like a goldy shimmer. Like a goldy greeny shimmer. Oh my goodness. Check that out. Oh, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to play with this. So I'm going to jump in and do a look with this. So jumping back to the look, I'm starting off with basic Trout, and it is like a nudie brown color, so almost my skin tone, and I'm just placing that all over my lids. I'm then jumping into 5 AM, which is a nice brown, and I'm placing that into my crease, and I'm just darkening it up until I get to the point where I like it. And going into the main color of this look, it is Mikai, which is a matte bright red color. It's absolutely stunning, and as everyone knows, this color is in tribute of her brother who sadly has passed away. So I'm just using this color all over my lids, and I'm just blending it out, and I just pack it in where I want it to be deeper, and I'm not worrying about being messy at all because I will clean this up before I do the rest of my makeup. So to deepen Mikai up, I just added a little bit of setting spray on my brush, and I just went in on my lids with that shade. Now I've got my lids to where I want them, I just take a bit of the shadow off the top because it was quite high to my brows and it wasn't the shade that I wanted. So I went back in with just a clean brush and I blended Mikai out on the edge there, just so then it looked lighter shade than the rest of my lid. I then jumped into basic Trout and I used that to help blend it out a little bit more, just so that shade was nice light shade, so it was sort of transitioning into that deeper red. So using a wet brush, I'm going in with the shade Ivy and placing that on the very start of my lids. I found using my finger was definitely better, so I just put a little bit of setting spray on my finger and went back in with Ivy and placed it all over my lids, but mainly focusing on the start. Going back in with Mikai, I used my finger and I placed it on the edges of my lids just to deepen that red up from where I got the shade Ivy on it. So then it looked like it was two colours and not fully one. Once I finished cleaning up, I just used my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and placed that all over my face. Now just make sure that you definitely clean up any of this red shade because it can spread to the rest of your face if you don't realise. I did have that in this and got it on my forehead, so I had to go in and clean that back up. And then I jumped into my foundation and got that to the coverage that I wanted. Jump back into my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and place that under my eyes and just along my nose and forehead a little bit to brighten my T-zone up. I then set my entire face with my Nikkie Joy Cosmetics Velvet Finishing Powder, but I do focus it on where I placed my concealer the most. Time to add some colour back into my face. I'm just going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and just bronzing up my cheekbones and my forehead, and then jumping into my Flower Beauty Flower Pots blush in Warm Hibiscus and just blushing on my cheeks and on the tip of my nose. So in tribute to Nikkietutorials, I thought I'd grab her highlighter as well when I did this shopping haul. So I'm just using this highlighter on my face and it is absolutely stunning. I also placed it on my brow bones. I then went back in with 5 AM and Mr. Tutorials mixed together and used that for my lower lash line. Then picking up Roxy Catan, and I'm just placing that on my inner corner for my inner corner highlight. I then set my face with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix It spray, and I've just got this in the Flower Beauty bottle because I like the sprayer better. I then went in with my L'Oreal Paradise Lash Primer and my L'Oreal Paradise Mascara in black. I then got the next two Gerard Cosmetics products in the same haul, so I just used these on my lips, and the combination is stunning, but it didn't match this look, so I just grabbed a red lipstick and just brightened the lip colour up a little bit. I then went back in with the shade Ivy and just highlighted my Cupid's bow and then a little bit on my chin, and then I went in with my Fenty Gloss Bomb and I just glossed up my lips a tiny bit. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. This is the finished look. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join the family. Hit that subscribe button, change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye! Don't forget to head over to my Instagram to see any looks that I may not post on YouTube. And if you've got any suggestions of looks you want me to do using these palettes, then don't forget to leave a note in the comments.